Well, hello viewers. Today I have another Demon Slayer figure. Inosuke Hashibira from Bandai BANPRESTO. There's two versions of this figure. One without the boar head mask. So this is the pretty boy, the pretty face version. So that's the side. That's the back. And that's Kano Suyuri sepia tone. So yeah, there's Inosuke, Lord of the Mountain, or is it King of the Mountain? Boar's head. All right, so let's unbox him. Get my box cutter. All right, let's take him out. Comes in. Let's see. So he comes in the body. That's his head, plain base, and two of his swords. All right. Box cutter. All right. So let's show his. All right, so let's look at his head. Inosuke, was it pretty boy's face? Pretty boy face. That's just Inosuke. And this is the two sword that he put on his hip. All right, and that's the body. All right, let's put it together now. This is how it looks like. Oh, okay, it's the other way. All right, so you put like this way. Right there, go on, you fucking shit. Ah, there you go. And now the next one. Come on, you fucking piece of shit. All right. God damn, why this shit is piece of fucking. Really having a hard time putting this? Yeah. Finally got it. All right, let's put his head. God damn you, Inosuke. I don't know. It's kind of a little bit difficult to put Inosuke, put them together. You're gonna struggle a bit. Piece of fucking shit. All right, whatever. All right, so there's Inosuke. Let's put him on the base. Damn, this dude is being such a difficult bastard. Yes, got him. There you go. Inosuke in all his glory. The king of the mountain. Or is it lord of the mountain? I mean, look, this is a cool figure, man. I mean, this is another figure of Demon Slayer. That's 25 bucks. So, but there's two versions of this figure. This one where he have his mask on, the boar's head, and there's the one with the pretty boy face. It's a cool looking Inosuke. Look at that. He's looking at you. He's like, want to fight, want to mess with me. All right, so let's put him on the rotation disc. There you go. Look at that. Inosuke. Look how cool it looked, man. It's pretty badass. I mean, putting this together, yes, you're gonna have a little bit of tough time because it's like it doesn't really like fit right in. So you gotta like put in a lot of work. Because Inosuke, he's like, nope, he's not gonna make it easy for you. Man, I mean, this is such a cool figure, man. If you're a fan of Inosuke or anyone that likes Demon Slayer, this will make a really good gift. Don't bother to get the Pop Funko. It doesn't even looks like him. Maybe with his mask on, it looks like him a little bit. But other than that, yeah, this is a cool Inosuke figure. So let's rotate him one more time. Let's rotate him. Let's put him right here. Let's see him in his back. Look at his back muscle. Look at that Inosuke. One of the manly men in anime. Alright. Just put him like that. And yeah, I guess let me rotate one more time. For the ladies. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, this is a nice figure, very affordable too. Only about 25 bucks. Yeah, not much I can say other than thanks for watching.